In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to copy a list of account IDs that are found in a section on your map. So let's zoom into an area like Charlotte, and now let's change our alignment scope to only accounts. This will ensure that we are only lassoing accounts and not zip codes. And now, Lasso zip code button is selected, but the scope is set to only accounts. So we lasso this area like so, and let go. And right away, we get that map summary showing all the data for what we've lassoed. And here in the bottom left, we've got a copy button. Clicking on this button, we now have the ability to copy a list of the accounts that we just lassoed. If you had your alignment scope set to zip codes and accounts, you'd be able to select this first option. If you had it set to only zip codes, you'd be able to select only zip codes. And since I've set it to only accounts, we click here on the Only Accounts button. And just like that, a list of the account IDs have been placed on your computer's clipboard. Now, we can pull over Microsoft Excel or any other software where you can paste data into, and now we'll type in Control-V and paste that full list of account IDs. And just like that, that list shows up. So every account that was found in that lassoed area is now pasted here into this Excel file. And there you go. You've just learned how to copy a list of account IDs from AlignMix and then paste them in Excel.